Good morning, students. Good morning, all. Today we are going to learn about determinants. Before that, you must have to recall matrices because it is based on matrices. As for any matrix A, if we are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 2 into 2 matrix. 2 into 2 rows and 2 columns. But now here we have A equals to only having 4 elements, while in determinant the number associated with this matrix, only one number will be associated with the matrix. That number is known as determinant of this matrix, and it is as determinant of A. Don't call it as modulus of A. This is determinant of A, or det A we are writing 1, 2, 3, 4. And to find the number associated with this, just go with the cross multiplication. 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3. So 4 minus 6 equals to minus 2. This number is associated for the matrix A, for which elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Determinant is only possible for a square matrix. Only for a square matrix. Either it is of order 1, 1 into 1, order 2, 2 into 2, or order 3, 3 into 3, 4 into 4. So first we will discuss on for order 1. If order 1, that means only one element, 1 into 1 row and 1 column. So we will continue with the example. Consider the example that matrix is having any element 3. So look here, only one number 3 is associated with matrix A. So directly determinant of A is 3. Here determinant of A is 3 because this number only associated with the matrix. Now come for order 2. This example what we have taken, that is of order 2. Order 2. Here in order 2, A matrix having 4 elements because order is 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. How we are finding determinant of A? By cross multiplication. Now the number associated with the matrix is minus 2. Now just come for order 3. For order 3, how many elements will be there in matrix A? Total 9 elements because 3 into 3. So simply we are using any 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, 2, 1, minus 2. This is a matrix A of order 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. For this, how will we find the determinant? Before that, you have to know about the minors and cofactors. Then easily we can get the value for determinant. Now let's continue with the minors and cofactors. How will we find minors and cofactors? Here, look again. Determinant. What is determinant? It is a number. It is a number associated with the matrix. Here, in order 1, A having only one number, only one element. So this number itself is associated with the matrix. Hence, determinant of A is 3. while in order 2 we have 4 elements, 4 different numbers. So using cross multiplication find a number which is -2, and this is associated with the matrix A. Hence determinant of A is -2. Now for order 3 we need to find minus and cofactors. So for this example we have 9 elements, total 9 elements. Now come for the first element. First element we can write as A11, and the first element is 1. By eliminating or by deleting its row and its column, look for the first element, delete the first row and first column. Now these parts, these are the minors for the first element. So minor, for minor we are writing M11 for first element is determinant of -1, 0, 1, -2. Do the cross multiplication same as what we did for the matrix 2 into 2 to finding the determinant. So 2 1 is 2 minus 0, minor is 2. Now for the second element means first row, second column. Second element is 2. Now for minor of second element, you have to delete first row and second column. Delete first row and second column. First row, second column. So what we have now? 4, 2, 0, -2. 4, 2, 0, -2. Then cross multiply. Same as that. -8, -0, -8. And for the last element of the first row is 3. Similarly, now delete first row and third column. First row and third column. What you have? 4, 2, -1, 1. 4, 2, -1. Again 4 plus, this is -2, so +2, 6. Now is it clear about the minus? These are minus. So here how many minus possible? Total 9 minus. For first row 3 elements, second row 3 elements, third row 3 elements. To find the determinant of a matrix of order 3, you need to find a minor for any one row or any one column. Here we have completed for first row only. If you want, you can do for second row, first column, second column. Now just come for the cofactor. These are minus. Now, because determinant of 3 into 3 depends upon cofactor, and it is denoted by capital A. Capital A, like here, small a 1 1, small a 1 2, and here capital M 1 1 1 2. So this is capital A, same as Ij, where I is number of rows and J is number of columns. Equals to -1 to the power I plus j, and with minus ij. It means based on I plus j, cofactor equal to minus and now based on I plus j, it will be either positive of minor or negative of minor. For first element 1 1. So what is the sum of 1 and 1? 2. Even number. Minus 1 to the power 2 is positive. So directly for first element a11 equals to m11. Now look for the second a12. If we are finding the cofactor for second element 1 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1. So minus of that minor. So here directly I am writing first a11, first cofactor 1 plus 1 2, minus 1 to the power 2 is plus m11, and we have the value of m11 2, so directly plus 2. a12, 1 plus 2 is 3, odd, so minus m12. Now we have the value of m12 minus, and m12 is minus 8, so this is 8. And now finally a13, 1 plus 3 is 4, so plus m13, it is m13 is 6. So in this way we are finding minors and cofactors. You can find directly cofactors also using the same method. Only in minor, minus 1 into 2, 1 into 0. With that we have to use minus 1 to the power I plus j also. Means plus minus that type. So in this way we are finding the cofactors for any row or any column, only one row or only one column. Now come to our previous point to find the determinant of order 3. Order 3. So determinant of A equals to the product of element with the cofactor a11 into this a1, element a12 with the cofactor a12, element a13 with the cofactor a13. It means the sum of product of elements with the cofactors is the determinant for 3 into 3 matrices. Hence here a11 into a11, this is element and this is cofactor, plus same as for all the three. So we have the value for all three, a11 and a1. 1 into 2, that means here value will be 1 into 2 plus 2 into 8 plus 3 into 6, and this is the determinant of order 3. 2 plus 16 plus 18, 36. Okay, so in this way we are finding the determinant, and in the same way we can find the determinant for order 4, but for our class we have to learn up to order 3 only. For order 4 again we have the same method. First find cofactor. How we are finding cofactor? It is based on minus. First delete the first row, first column for first element, and rest all are in the determinant. Find the determinant this way. Same way we can find cofactor. And finally, what is the determinant of order 3? The sum of products of element with their cofactors of one row or one column, any one. It's upon you. You can select. Here I selected first row. Now you can select first column and check whether the same you are getting or not. So based on this, just I am going to give one example and look on the example again. How can we find? Just look the example. Here, if matrix A is 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 5, 2, minus 2, minus 1 and 4. Find determinant of A. Now here I am selecting the first column. You have to select any one row or any one column. First column, this is A11. A11, first element is 0. Then we have to find the minor, or directly you can find cofactor also. For getting minor, just delete this row, delete the first row and first column. 3, 5, minus 1, 4. 12 and this plus 5, 17. Now for second element is A12, is this correct? A12, second element. As we are finding the determinant through column 1, so first element, now second element is this one. Second element minus 1. So what is the position of second element? Second row and first column. So in place of 1, 2, this will be 2, 1. Second row and first column. It is minus 1. Now find the minor for the same. Delete the second row and first column. So we have now 1, 2, minus 1, 4. Then go with the cross multiple. 4 minus of minus 2 plus 6. Now third element is 2. Third row and first column. Third row, first column. It is 2. Now find the minor. M31. After deleting the third row and first column, we have 1, 2, 3, 5. Then cross multiple 5 minus 6, minus 1. These are minus. Now look for the cofactor. Directly also we can write A11. What is the sum of 1 and 1? 2. Even number. So directly M11, it is 17. Now A21. Look here, the sum of these two odd. So minus of minor. Whatever minor is there, minus of that. Then A31. 3 plus 1 is 4. It is even. So directly minor, minus 1. Now, determinant of A is the sum of the product of elements with their cofactors of any row or any column. Here we have selected the first column. So do that. first element with cofactor of first element is 17 plus second element with the cofactor is -6 plus third element with the cofactor, and then this will be the answer. 0 plus 6 minus 2 equals to 4. So in this way we are finding the determinant of square matrix. We can find determinant only for a square matrix. In order 1, directly that number will be the determinant of the matrix. In order 2, using direct cross multiplication, we can find the determinant. In order 3, we can find with the help of cofactors, and it is the sum of the products of element with their cofactor. Okay, now in next class we will study about how to find the area of triangles and some different properties of determinants which help us in solving various determinants. Okay, thank you.